Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I am starting another topic of class 9 physics, that is scalar quantity and vector quantities. Okay. So let's come toward the scalar quantity. Scalar quantity. Okay, the quantities which can be completely described by its magnitude only. The quantities which can be completely described by its magnitude only. Okay, here this means there is no direction, just magnitude is there. Okay, there is no direction, just magnitude is there. It is one of the quantities which can be described only by its, you can say, magnitude. For example, a weight of human is 50 kg. 50 kg. So this 50 is my number. 50 is my number, or you can say numerical. This is my unit. Okay, unit. So it is called, this will be called, can say, a magnitude. This is called a magnitude. Okay, you can call it a magnitude. Okay, come towards the another topic, that is vector quantity. Okay, before I told you about the scalar quantity which is completely described by its magnitude, but here the case is different. Vector quantities can be described by its magnitude and direction. When this contains magnitude and direction both. Okay, this contains magnitude and direction both. Okay, both are required for it. For example, the example of vector quantities are force, weight, okay, velocity, can say displacement, etc. Okay, many more, etc. means etc. Okay, these are the example of scalar, can say, vector quantities. Okay, which have direction and magnitude both. Okay, for example, force is there, 10 newton. The SI unit of force is newton. 10 newton force is applied on a mass in the direction of east. Okay, in the direction of east, for example, east. So this is my vector quantity, which is having magnitude also direction. Okay, magnitude and direction both. Okay, another example is, for example, a car is moving 5 kilometer, can say a car is moving the speed of any speed of, can say, 100 kilometer per second, speed of 100 kilometer per second, and the direction of. Another example of vector quantity can be a car, can say, travels 20 kilometers and, can say, 20 kilometer towards west. A car travels 20 kilometer towards west. Okay, this is an example of vector quantity. Means Here direction is also being shown and magnitude is being, okay, it is describing the direction also and magnitude, okay, direction and magnitude both are being involved in it, okay. Okay, vector quantity is represented by arrowhead. It is represented by arrowhead. For example, displacement is there, okay. Short displacement is the shortest erect point, okay, shortest erect path between 2 points, okay. So it will be displacement is a vector quantity that contains directions and magnitude both, okay. So we will donate it likewise, okay. I told you about the force. Force is also a vector quantity, okay, it is a vector quantity. So vector quantity is represented by arrow, arrowhead, okay, it is represented by arrowhead. Okay, now we will come towards the graphical representation of a vector, okay. A vector is represented graphically by a line segment within arrowhead, okay. For example, this is a line segment point, this is a line segment, this is A and this is B, okay, direction A and B, okay, A and B, this is a line segment, it is a representation of a vector. Here, okay, length of A and B can say shows the magnitude. The length of A and B shows the magnitude and the direction, okay. This arrow is there, arrow at point AB shows direction, it is showing what direction, it is showing direction, okay. So likewise a vector quantity is represented graphically, okay.